Welcome to Let's Talk About Solar Cleaning. Hello everyone, I'm Sheldon. Today I want to share with you our PhiCleaner robot and its several major advantages in distributed solar cleaning. Compared to other solar cleaning equipment in the market, our strengths are mainly reflected in four aspects. First, personnel safety. The PhiCleaner has full autonomous cleaning capability, reducing the need for manpower. Operating one device by two persons. Shift to one person operating two devices now. For dangerous solar cleaning tasks, reducing personnel usage fundamentally reduces risks. At the same time, the PhiCleaner does not require personnel to follow and operate during cleaning. Personnel movement is minimal, ensuring that they work from a safe position. All hazardous areas are autonomously handled by the PhiCleaner. Second, PV panel safety. PhiCleaner is designed with customer plant safety as the top priority, minimizing the probability of micro cracks in the plant. Its minimal momentum design minimizes impact on panel glass. PhiCleaner is the only cleaning equipment in the industry that has obtained the French Bureau Veritas certification for crack-free cleaning. The third major advantage, cleanliness. PhiCleaner develops products with clean quality as the goal, leading the industry. By establishing the SCP-3 level cleanliness standard, PhiCleaner empowers solar cleaning with advanced technologies to increase power generation. The unique technologies of PhiCleaner are all aimed at ensuring cleaning quality. PhiCleaner straight, PhiCleaner overlapping, PhiCleaner edge cleaning, PhiCleaner suspension, PhiCleaner rotation. All contribute to a new level of solar cleaning. The fourth major advantage is our cost effectiveness. PhiCleaner save on labor costs, making the highly economically viable if we calculate the cost. Using traditional labor-intensive cleaning methods, the price of PhiCleaner can be completely offset by 1 year's labor costs. PhiCleaner's clean as new quality minimizes shading losses for power plants, allowing them to generate more electricity revenue, reduce costs and maximize power generation revenue, constitute the economic value of PhiCleaner, significantly reducing electricity costs and achieving long-term benefits. Clean the solar plants. PhiCleaner is the good helper. I'm Sheldon. See you next time.